Yo, the wait is finally over. Alright, so I've been pre-ordered this. First week came out, mine's got put on back order. It felt like a century that I was waiting, but all good. When I got the notification that they were shipping it out, I got excited. Got it in today, a couple hours ago. So I'm ready to open this bad boy up. So this is the new Galaxy S10 Plus, 128 gigabyte, 8 memory, 8 grams of memory. Whew. Excuse me, I'm tired. I got a headache, tongue tied. So got the little branding right here. Really nothing else on the box, really too much. Let's go ahead and get the, call him Midnight. Anyways. Let's go ahead and boom. That thing to the side. Up. Stuck in there. Look at that. Okay, hold on. Let me stick that thing in there. Stick that thing in there tight. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, look. Okay, hold on, y'all. This thing real stuck. Okay. Goddamn. All right. So it's the Samsung little pouch thing. You got your pin eject thing right there for your SIM card slots. You got your books and stuff in here. We don't need these, so let's throw that to the side. Let's see. This device includes a pre-installed screen protector. If you remove it, you won't be using different screen protector. Okay, so there's a lot of reviews on this thing right here. Some people say it is a screensaver. Some say it's not. Some say when you buy a screensaver, the thumb print to get into the phone doesn't work. I have watched plenty of videos. I've seen a thumbprint works on it. I was gonna actually try it myself and see if it works, but it works for the most part, from what I see. And as for the screensaver go, I mean, I don't think it's a screensaver, to be honest with you. I usually take all this stuff off. Just because I've seen it's so thin, like I have seen it actually being taken off or whatnot, and it's unless this is a real cheap knockoff or whatever the case might be, it's real thin, like loose and whatnot. It don't feel like a screen protector. Like you when you go buy screen protectors, it's a little thicker, in my opinion, and you can tell it's a screen protector. So this, I mean, if you ask me, it ain't no damn screen protector. So, whatever. Your opinion. Argue me down on it if you want to. I don't think it is. Well, we're moving on. So, I am going to make a... Man, this is beautiful. Beautiful. I am going to make a full review on this. Probably... I'm going to do a week. I always say I'm going to do these months. Real reviews, but honestly I never keep up with it. I had so much going on in my life. I have 2 other videos that I have to upload still too, to try to get my YouTube up. So I might just do like the weekly reviews, because I am going to be using it. So it's going to be my daily phone. I am excited about it. I'm a heavy Samsung user, so we're going to test this out and see. But anyways, so I went in and got the Prism White phone. Honestly, I kind of regret it a little bit because that blue looking real nice. But I don't know. It's out of that blue and this Prism White. This was sexy. But I went ahead and got me another white phone. It's not like a white, it's, you know, like an off-white, Prism White. It's just nice. It's real nice. So, not too heavy. Just right. You got your Bixby right here, up and down volumes. Got your power button right here. Now, one thing right now I can tell you that when I was holding it for the first time, I think I went to Best Buy. It's not a big issue for me. I know for some people, this volume button right here, not volume, sorry, this power button up here, it's way at the top. So, and a lot of people like hold their phones up here, and you know, they gotta, you know, probably not that low, but you know, gotta reach their thumb up, extend their thumb up to get it unlocked. So, I mean, it's not a big problem because this is how I hold my phone. So I can still still tap it, still get into it, close it out. If I'm looking at any other extracurricular activities on my phone, and I want nobody to see it. I'm at work or something or whatnot. A girl come walk through. Hey, babe, what you doing? Oh, nothing. I can hurry up and tap it, close it out, whatever the case might be. That's it. Anyways, headphone jack. Most important thing right now that you can have. Me personally, I love having a headphone jack. Even though all my headphones is wireless, Bluetooth, I love the headphone jack because if you really get some good quality headphones, the only way that you actually get that 100% quality from it, if you have it plugged in to that cable, you get that good quality from it. So that's why I like having a headphone jack. So a lot of these other phone places start bringing that back, and hopefully Samsung never ever take that off. But I don't think they will though. Still got your USB-C charging port, and you got your speaker at the bottom. You got your hole punch cameras at the top. Now, there's some mixed reviews on that too. Some people say they like that little notch right there, the camera notch. Some say they like the hole punch. Me personally, this ain't gonna bother me. And I don't even have the phone on or anything like that. And I hear that there's a lot of screensavers that makes it blend in to where you don't see it. After playing around with this phone a couple times, I don't think that'll be a problem for me at all. Honestly, I love it. That hole punch. I'd rather the hole punch than that notch. But like I said, it's my opinion. You got your own opinion. So, all right. So you got the Samsung brand at the bottom. At the back. You got your triple camera right there with sensors on the back. Got your two dual cameras on the front. Except for that, you got your charger right here. Got your little dongle, whatever you want to call this thing. You know, she basically got a computer in your pocket. And that's the USB. Now, another thing I want to add too, I wish Samsung bring back. Wish they bring back the goddamn black cables. I hate these damn white cables. Like, black is better. Always better. Not this. It's not a big deal. Scratch that. It is. Because after a while, these things will get dirty. Like, seriously dirty. Like, the one I got now, my damn cable dirty. So, you don't want to be, you know, you got your girl in the car. Hey, man, you got your charger on? You're going on a date. You pull out this charger. Got old chicken grease stands on it. You know, from 2 or 3 weeks ago, whatever the case may be. Kool-Aid stands. You don't want all that on your damn cable. You know, you can buy the black cable, be just as dirty, but you don't see it. You know, you wouldn't know. So they need to come back with the black one. I'm not feeling this white at all, really. But anyways, that's just me. and you got your AKGs. Now, unfortunately, I haven't even used my old ones out the last Galaxy when these came with. They still in the box. I have never plugged them up, used them. I know how they sound, but I just never used them. And I got these two. These supposed to be a little bit better, I heard, than the other ones. So I'm actually play around with these, see how true they are. But that's for a different time. So that's pretty much it in the box, guys. I want to just do an open box. Explain my one issue with this cable. The power button. It's not a big deal for me, really, but I know for most people, they rather it a little bit lower because not a lot of people have big hands. I just have it so just kind of hold my phone a little bit slighter down in my palm, I guess you can say, so I can just tap it without. This is how I hold my phone. No problem. I can get to it. But I know people that has bigger hands than me, it still says issue for them. So I don't know. Yeah, guys, just want to do an open box. This is me. I know they're probably all just down. There's a guy all over the place. I don't do any edits or anything like that. This is me. No cuts or whatnot. Once y'all know the real me when y'all looking at my YouTube page or whatnot. And this is me. Just, you know, whatever comes to my mind, I just let it out. So, I'm not going to get it started. Well, I am going to get it started, but I got to plug in my information, do all this other extra stuff. I am going to upload a real review. And then give my thoughts and concerns on that. Whatever comes to mind, I'm going to just shoot it out in a real review. I'm really feeling this Prism right. I'm excited, y'all. I'm about to plug this up, baby. Yeah. This Deep Tech World. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe below. Peace.